The word where, to ask about a place or location. Where are you? Where is it? Where to? Where are you going after the meeting? Where is it located? I need directions. Can you tell me where to buy tickets for the event? To refer to a place or position. Where we live, where I work, where she sits. This is where we live, in the heart of the city. Where I work is just a few blocks from here. And he knows exactly where she sits in the classroom, to indicate a point in time or situation, where I left off, where we stand, where things go. And let me remind you where I left off in the report. This is where we stand on the project after the meeting. And let's see where things go from here. To introduce a condition or situation, where necessary, where appropriate, where possible. The manager will provide guidance where necessary. The changes will be implemented where appropriate. It will ship the goods where possible as soon as possible, to express a place of significance or importance. And where dreams come true, where the action is, where it all began. And this city is where dreams come true for many artists. Let's go to where the action is, the festival downtown. Then a museum is where it all began for the local history.